Hello everyone, this is not my typical style of content, but today I want to take you along a very personal journey today. So grab a cup of tea because this is basically a diary entry about something big happening with Riri Bespoke Jewelry. So about a month ago, I was sitting with my business mentor, and she asked me such a simple question that completely stumped me. She said, how does your mission of creating jewelry that celebrates individuality actually connect to your product? And I just blanked. 4 years into business, and I couldn't clearly explain it. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about all these beautiful pieces created and how they seem disconnected from my mission. And we've been talking on and off, and something just hit me. People aren't just one thing all the time. I'm not just one thing. Some days I wake up wanting to be understated and elegant. Other days I want to be bold and turn heads. Sometimes I want to embrace my softer, more romantic side. That's when the era of expression concept was born. What if our jewelry wasn't just pretty things, but pieces that help people express different sides of themselves? Different eras of expression? It's perfectly connected to what I was seeing everywhere online. These style eras that people were talking about. The clean girl era. These are my minimalist pieces. Think Hailey Bieber, Emma Chamberlain, and Jessica Alba. Then there's the hot girl era. My statement pieces that demand attention. Think Jennifer Lopez, Beyonce, and Rihanna. And the Coquette Girl era, these delicate feminine pieces with romantic details. Think Ariana Grande, Dove Cameron, and Sabrina Carpenter. It's not about boxing people in. It's about giving them the permission to express all sides of themselves. Some days you're a clean girl. Other days, hot girl energy all the way. And sometimes coquette girl vibes are calling. This rebrand isn't just about new colors or a new logo. It's about finally connecting our mission to our products in a way that makes sense. It's about creating a framework that helps you find pieces that match exactly how you want to express yourself on a given day. Every piece I've created fits into one of these three eras. And now our entire brand will be organized around helping you find your perfect expression. So that's where we are in the rebranding journey. One question is changing everything. Which era speaks to you the most? Or are you like me? A little bit of all three depending on the day. Let me know in the comments and hope you stick along on this journey with us.